everyone, and welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. I am so excited to show you today how to fold a whale. Something cool about whales is they are actually mammals. And most fish have gills, but because whales are mammals, they actually have lungs, which means they have to surface up to the top to catch a big, deep breath. But the very cool part about whales is they can swim underwater for an hour before they have to surface back up. Very cool, right? Now, let's get started. The supplies you will need are a sheet of paper, a marker, and a pair of scissors. All right, guys, once you selected your sheet of paper, we're going to bring one of the corners downward into that triangle shape. And go ahead and cut off that side piece, that rectangle piece there. A lot of these origami folds, you start off with a square sheet of paper. All right, go ahead and open it up here, and we're going to face your sheet of paper where it's a diamond shape, and we're going to do a kite fold next. So grab one of the corners, and you have a guide right here in the middle that you will fold towards that middle guide. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Bring that in into that middle crease. Fold. Now I'm going to flip mine all the way around and see how it looks like a kite. It's kind of cool. All right, so bring the top towards the middle, right where the left and the right meet. So go ahead and fold that there, just like this, okay? And now what we're going to do from here is you're going to fold it in half, just like this. All right. Now let's work on the tail of the whale. Go ahead and bring this right side, and you're going to fold it just straight up, just like this. And just do a really nice crease there. Go ahead and bring it back down, and you're going to use that crease as a guide to fold it on the opposite side also, so we can do that double creasing of the paper. Our next step here is to do a reverse fold on this crease that we just did. So go ahead and just open it up again, and you're going to hold it just in place here to do that. You're going to push it down and do that reverse fold, just like this. Okay. Go ahead and just crease everything through. Now we're going to grab our scissors, and you have these flaps that connect that we're trying to separate. And you're going to bring your scissors right through the middle of that, kind of just halfway through there. And now the tail part, go ahead and fold it downward, just like that. Do the same thing to the opposite side, just like this. And now you can draw a eye to your whale. Maybe a little smile going here. Now what I did is that sheet of paper that I cut off earlier, I went ahead and just aligned it to this portion here, that little folding that connects there. And I just used that as a guide to draw a line all the way through our little friend here. And there you go, guys. There is your origami whale. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next week for more origami fun. Bye!